Welcome children. Today I am going to explain about present perfect tense. Before starting the present perfect tense, let me tell you that in my previous class I have already explained about simple present tense and present continuous tense, and now I am going to explain about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, it expresses an action that started in the past and has just now been completed. For example, Satish has worked out his sums. In this sentence, Satish has started his work in the past and has just now completed in the present. Now, let me give you some rules of present perfect tense. Rule 1. Number 1. In a present perfect tense, if the sentence is given in a positive form, then has or have plus third form of the verb is added. Has means singular. It means if the subject is singular, then add has. Have means plural. It means if the subject is plural, then add have. If still there is some confusion in the sentence, then look at the subject of a sentence. If in the subject he, she, it or any name is given, then add has to the subject, and with the rest word in the subject, then add have to the subject. If you follow this method, then also your sentence will never go wrong. For example, number 1. I have eaten. Number 2. He has eaten. Number 3. They have eaten. Rule number 2. In a present perfect tense, if the sentence is given in a negative form, then has or have plus not plus third form of the verb is added. For example, number 1, I have not eaten. Number 2, he has not eaten. Number 3, they have not eaten. Rule 3. In a present perfect tense, if the sentence is given in a question form, then has or have plus subject plus third form of the word, or question word plus has or have plus subject plus third form of the word. For example, number 1, has the moon risen in the sky? Number 2, have I hurt you? Some other examples are: number 1, what has she cooked for lunch? Number 2, what have you cooked for lunch? Now, let me discuss about the uses of present perfect tense. Number 1, to express an action completed in the past but is linked with the present. For example, the traffic police have declared a heavy penalty for those who violate traffic rules. This sentence shows that the traffic police have already declared a heavy penalty in the past and is still continuing in the present. Number 2, to express an action that began in the past and is still continuing in the present. For example, she has lived in the house for 10 years. This sentence shows that she has started living in the house in the past and is still living now. Number 3, to express an action that has started in the past and has just now completed. For example, she has just completed her work. This sentence shows that she has started her work in the past and has just completed now. Number 4, to express past events for which the exact time is not given. For example, we have fulfilled our responsibility. This sentence shows that the responsibility has already been fulfilled, but the exact time period is not mentioned. Number 5, to refer to news. For example, the jury has pardoned some criminals. This sentence refers to a news report. Number 6, to express a repeated or habitual action. For example, I have often warned you against false friends. This sentence shows a repetition as the warning is repeated again and again. This sentence also implies a habitual action. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.